Well, unang-unang reaction dito, it will be another burden on the part of our riding public regarding the napipintong increase ng LRT fare. At saka yung mga sumasakay talaga sa LRT ay hindi lang mahirap lahat talaga dahil it is the most convenient mode of transportation, lalo na sa metropolis na matraffic. Ako mismo kasi apektado as a businessman. Palaging sumasakay sa LRT from Fernando Po Junior Station hanggang sa PTEX. Sumasakay po ako. Kaya that's my reaction to this. Sana i-delay, and then kung magkaroon ng delay, we should have to study kung bakit kailangan na i-increase at kung kinakailangan huwag i-increase. At kung sana pagawan ng paraan na ito ay subsidized ng gobyerno, that's the better option.